The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is a game-changer in the world of three-wheeled motorcycles. Known for its innovative features, performance capabilities, and unmatched style, the Ryker continues to be a top choice for thrill-seekers and casual riders alike. This article delves into every facet of the 2025 Ryker, from its cutting-edge design to its advanced technology and market reception. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is a visual treat, designed to make a statement on the road. The low-slung frame, coupled with its aggressive styling, gives it a sporty and futuristic appearance. One of the standout features is its customizable panels, which allow riders to swap colors and finishes effortlessly. This level of personalization ensures that each Ryker is as unique as its owner. The 2025 model also introduces a broader range of color and material options, from vibrant neons to matte finishes, catering to a wide demographic of riders. Enhanced by ergonomic upgrades, the Ryker's adjustable handlebars and foot pegs ensure a comfortable ride, regardless of rider height or posture preferences. The heart of the 2025 Can-Am Ryker is its powerful Rotax 900 Ace engine. Known for its reliability and efficiency, this engine offers smooth and robust performance, making it suitable for both city streets and open highways. For riders who prefer a lighter touch, the Ryker is also available with a Rotax 600 Ace option, which provides an accessible yet thrilling experience. The Ryker's CVT, continuously variable transmission, is a highlight, ensuring seamless acceleration and reducing the learning curve for beginners. Its exceptional fuel efficiency makes it a practical choice for those who enjoy long-distance touring without frequent refueling stops. In terms of ride dynamics, the 2025 model features improved suspension and adaptive shocks, making it more capable on rough terrain. This upgrade caters to adventure seekers who want to explore beyond conventional roads. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is a tech lover's dream. It comes equipped with a full-color, high-resolution LCD display that provides all necessary information at a glance, including speed, RPM, fuel levels, and navigation. The display is customizable, allowing riders to prioritize the data most relevant to them. Bluetooth integration is another key feature, enabling riders to connect their smartphones for music streaming, hands-free calls, and GPS navigation. The onboard GPS system is especially handy for touring enthusiasts, offering turn-by-turn directions and real-time traffic updates. The addition of multiple riding modes, such as Eco, Sport, and Rain, allows users to tailor their riding experience to the road and weather conditions. Whether you're navigating slippery streets or pushing the limits on open roads, the Ryker adapts to ensure maximum safety and performance. Safety is paramount in any vehicle, and the 2025 Ryker excels in this department. Its advanced stability control system ensures that the vehicle remains grounded during sharp turns and sudden maneuvers. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, enhances stopping power while preventing wheel lockup, even in emergency situations. Traction control is particularly useful for maintaining grip on wet or uneven surfaces. Combined with the vehicle's low center of gravity, these features make the Ryker one of the safest options in the three-wheeled motorcycle category. The enhanced lighting system is another critical safety upgrade. LED headlights and taillights provide exceptional visibility, even in low light conditions. Additionally, the daytime running lights ensure that the Ryker is visible to other drivers, reducing the risk of accidents. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is highly customizable, with a vast selection of accessories to enhance both performance and aesthetics. From touring windshields and comfort seats to luggage options and smartphone mounts, there's something for every rider. The Ryker Rally Edition, a special variant, comes with off-road-ready features, including upgraded tires, skid plates, and reinforced suspensions. For riders who love adventure, this edition offers the perfect blend of ruggedness and style. Additionally, Can-Am has introduced a new smartphone app that pairs seamlessly with the Ryker. This app allows riders to track maintenance schedules, customize ride settings, and even locate their vehicle in crowded areas. The Ryker is celebrated for its intuitive and exhilarating ride. Its unique three-wheel configuration offers the stability of a car with the open-air thrill of a motorcycle. This makes it an excellent option for both novice riders and experienced motorcyclists looking for something different. The 2025 model's adaptive suspension and lightweight frame provide exceptional handling, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling tight urban streets. Riders often praise the Ryker for its ability to deliver a smooth and responsive ride, even at high speeds. The Can-Am Ryker has built a loyal community of riders who appreciate its versatility and style. The 2025 model has been no exception, receiving glowing reviews from both industry experts and everyday users. Critics have highlighted its value for money, especially given its array of advanced features and performance capabilities. The Ryker's affordability, compared to traditional motorcycles and other three-wheelers, has made it a popular choice for younger riders and those looking for an accessible entry point into the world of power sports. Can-Am has also focused on fostering a sense of community among Ryker owners. Events, group rides, and online forums provide opportunities for riders to connect, share experiences, and celebrate their love for the Ryker. As the automotive industry shifts towards sustainability, Can-Am has taken steps to make the 2025 Ryker more environmentally friendly. The updated engine is more fuel efficient, reducing emissions without compromising performance. Additionally, Can-Am is exploring hybrid and electric options for future models, signaling their commitment to eco-friendly innovation. While the 2025 Ryker remains gas-powered, its efficiency and reduced environmental impact make it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious riders. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is competitively priced, making it an attractive option in the three-wheeled motorcycle market. Its base model starts at an accessible price point, with additional costs for higher engine options and accessories. Available at authorized dealerships worldwide, the Ryker comes with customizable packages to suit different needs and budgets. Can-Am's financing options and warranty programs further enhance its appeal. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is a masterclass in combining style, performance, and technology. Its innovative features cater to a diverse audience, from urban commuters to adventure enthusiasts. With its emphasis on safety, customization, and rider comfort, the Ryker sets a new benchmark in the three-wheeled motorcycle segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a fresh experience or a beginner eager to explore the open road, the 2025 Can-Am Ryker offers a compelling blend of excitement and practicality. For an in-depth look at the 2025 Ryker in action, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for reviews, ride tests, and expert insights.